Hi friends, welcome to Recipes Recooked. Today I am going to share with you a tasty and a healthy sprout salad recipe. Sprouts offer powerful sources of different types of vitamins, mineral antioxidants, enzymes and essential fatty acid nutrients which help to eliminate the free radicals in our body. Including sprouts in our diet helps in boosting our metabolism, immunity and cell rejuvenation. And if you're someone who wants to lose weight, the sprout salad is a great option. As sprouts are high in dietary fiber and low in calories, it makes you feel fuller for a long time. So for making this sprout salad, you need half cup of mung sprouts or green gram sprouts. Here I have steamed the sprouts for about 5 minutes. You can have it raw, sauteed, boiled or steamed as per your choice. Then you need 1 medium size finely chopped onions, half a de-seeded cucumber chopped, 2 tablespoons each of finely chopped carrot and tomatoes, some pomegranate seeds. If you like it you can add, nor you can skip it, and some finely chopped coriander leaves. And for that extra flavors we need half a teaspoon of chaat masala and half a teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder. Then we need 2 green chilies finely chopped and juice of a lemon, half to 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste. Now to a bowl, add the sprouts along with other vegetables, some finely chopped onions, tomatoes, carrots, cucumber. You can also add any vegetables of your choice, 2 green chilies finely chopped and juice of a lemon, some pomegranate seeds and some finely chopped coriander leaves. And for that extra flavors, chaat masala, roasted cumin seed powder, salt to taste, pepper powder. Now mix it all well. You can spice up or spice down the flavors as per your taste. Our tasty and healthy sprout salad is now ready. You can have it as a main meal or even as a mid-time snack. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comment sections below. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Recipes Recooked. Until next one, take care and thanks for watching Recipes Recooked.